Hi, I'm Travis, Cat Creations. Thanks so much for joining the channel today. In this channel, we strive to look at large language models like ChatGPT and other large language models to help you understand a little bit about it and have some fun with it. Today, we're going to dive in to a little bit about customized ChatGPTs. So I have a couple different tabs open, so I'm going to create a new ChatGPT. Going to go into create. It's going to ask me a couple different things. Make creative who helps visuals for new products. Let's just take that. We'll ask this to create a customized ChatGPT. Okay, creative who generates visuals for new products. So it's updating my GPT. Give it a few minutes here. I've created about 40 of these and have done this for clients and different things for myself as well. So if this takes you more than 5 minutes, I feel that you're taking too much time with it. You just want to get the feel for it. You can iterate or do more different changes after you get one first built. But I'd really like you to take 5 minutes or less for this part that I'm going to show you. All right, great for a name. How about Visual Concept Studios? Yes, and I like to say please and thank you. That's just the way I tend to communicate. There was some research early on that please and thank you was good to use as it's been trained on models of the internet. All right, oh, that kind of looks freaky, but I'm going to go with it for right now, just for the concept here. You can, like I said, you can go into this. Like in tweaks is good. Alright, so it's gonna update this. There's my little eye looking thing, kind of with some visual thing around it. We'll see if we want to change that a little bit later. Okay, you can try to preview it. Okay, it didn't even ask me too many things, so that's gonna even take less time. So I'm going to go ahead and create, and I'm going to do anyone with a link and update. Alright, so it's called Visual Concept Studio by GenProd. So you can actually find this in the store right now, since I just uploaded it. It's called Visual Concept Studio by GenProd. So let's go ahead and click on one of these. Visualize a luxury skincare product. Alright, so glow ritual with luxury, shape, labeling, logo, color, palette, visual language, tagline. It even has a tagline. I like that. Would you like me to generate a mock-up? Yes, please. Or do you prefer to refine the vibe? I'm going to say let's go ahead and let it do its thing here. So this is what's using DALL-E, and we'll get into this in later episodes, but just wanted to show you this at this point here. So let's see what we got. Okay, I kind of like that. You will notice that some of the writing and different things are still a little less than maybe what I would like to see, especially as I've done photography and try to get every hair in place and every person smiling at the same time. Some other people might not notice some of this. It's in a state of trying to get better. Only with time things will get better, especially with the text. So when you do see text, you may have to play around with this, bring it into an editor, or just as we're having fun with this, I tend to like to make things 75-80% and not do that 100% if I'm not really going to use it for a client or for myself, and just trying to learn some of the concepts and build on things. And that's what I'm trying to show here. Again, on this channel, I try not to skip over too many parts. I could refine this a lot more. However, I feel I'm doing you a better service if I'm struggling with something, as well as when I go online, you're live and things just happen. And if I come across something, I like to show you my problem solving skills to mitigate whatever I come across. So that's a little shorter one for today. So I just wanted to go back to the top here. So we have customized a ChatGPT, made our own ChatGPT. It actually gave us an example of what we could use, copied and pasted it, and then at the end it gives us this nice little dolly image that it made based on some of the mock-up. So again, hi, I'm Travis, Cat Creations. Thanks so much for joining the channel. If you really enjoyed this, please like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. That helps me and others know that you like this kind of content so we can bring more to you. All right, have a great day. Peace.